Now children, we are going to do the conversion of fraction. Look, in the first sum I have written, change the given fraction into improper fraction. The first sum is 5 whole number 6 by 13. It is a mixed fraction. From this mixed fraction, we are going to do it an improper fraction. What to do? Whole number should be multiplied by the denominator. Then you have to add the numerator to get the new numerator, which fraction you are forming. Okay, so 5 into 13, 65 plus 6 is equals to 71, and no change in denominator. Fraction is a sum. You are not never forget to write the denominator, and in conversion there is no change in denominator. So 71 by 13, the answer is 71 by 13. What type of fraction it is? An improper fraction. Why? Because the numerator is bigger and the denominator is smaller. So what is the process? Whole number should be multiplied by the denominator, then you have to add the numerator. You are getting the new fraction 65 plus 6 by 13, after addition 71 by 13, and the answer is 71 by 13, right? Next sum, change the given fraction into mixed fraction. Look at the second sum, 37 by 12. Now 37 by 12, it is an improper fraction. Why? Because 37, the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So what we have to do? We have to divide the numerator by the denominator. 12 is a 36 and the remainder is 1. This remainder will be the numerator, and denominator as it is, no change. Whole number is your quotient. 12 by 12, you are dividing 37. Quotient is 3, that is the whole number. Remainder is 1, that is the numerator. And 12, the denominator, there is no change. 3 whole number, 1 by 12. If you follow the first process, that is whole number multiplied by the denominator, you will get 36 plus 1, 37 by 12. So in the first sum, you have learned that how to change a mixed fraction to an improper fraction. Here you have learned how to change an improper fraction to a mixed fraction. But you can convert it in any way, right? Okay. Now, as I told you, I am going to do the addition of fraction. Addition of fraction. Look, the example is 3 by 8 plus 5 by 12. Steps are there. Now, what are the steps? The first step is finding of LCM of 8 and 12, that is the denominators. We have done the comparison of fraction, ascending, descending of fraction. There also you have learned how to do the like fraction of the given fraction. Here same thing we are doing, but at a time. The LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. This 24 will be the denominator. Now look, here it is 24, the denominator. Now the vinculum, the equal sign. Now what to do? 24 you have to divide, as the first fraction, the denominator is 8. 24 will be divided by 8. Then that one you have to multiply by 3. Then the plus sign, same thing you have to do for the second fraction. 24 you have to divide by the denominator, that is 12. Then you have to multiply by 5. Use bracket, then the sum will be easy. So 3 into 3 plus 2 into 5. What we are getting? 9 plus 10. And denominator we have got 24. That one you have to write down. So now it is 9 plus 10 by 24, that is 19 by 24. Our answer is 19 by 24. Once again, the fractions are 3 by 8 plus 5 by 12. Step 1, you have to do the LCM of 8 and 12. That is 24. You can do the LCM. You know very well how to do the LCM. So I am not going to show you the LCM. Step 2, 24. Make it as denominator. Then give a big line. That is vinculum will be big. Then 24 you have to divide by 8. Then you have to multiply by the numerator. Okay. 24 you have to divide by 8. That is LCM should be divided by the denominator, then the result will be multiplied by the numerator. Second one, the same thing. LCM will be divided by the denominator, then that result you have to multiply by the numerator. What we are getting? 3 into 3 plus 2 into 5. Please children use bracket. The sum will be easy for you. Then after doing everything, you will remove bracket. 9 plus 10 by 24, we are getting 19 by 24. Our answer is 19 by 24. Today up to this much. If you have any query, you will ask me. Tomorrow onwards, I will give you the practice work. There also, I will give you one example. After that, you will practice. Thank you. Have a nice day.